The Holiday Inn Express Plantation. Some of these rooms have balconies. Let's check it out. A small, nice little business section. And this is where they do breakfast. Let me get a coffee. Let's check out the pool. Very chilly today. Not many people in the pool at this temperature. Just a pool, no hot tub. Where is the... no. Okay. Coffee machine 24/7, and I do appreciate that. What have they got for sundries? I was very happy to see that they had forks for me. And here's your price list. There is where everything is located. Let's check out 305. So, right off the bat, coffee maker, fridge, and microwave. Now, here in the bathroom, nice, really big sink. Countertop, I mean. Dove body lotion and hand wash, plenty of towels, toilet, a tub. I love a tub. A lot of hotels are not doing that anymore, and I know why, but let's check the room. Me. Nice place to sit your keys and hang something. Now behind my bag here, you'll have ironing board, an iron, nice big king bed. Next to the bed, phone, 2 plugs, and 2 USB ports. I'll post here if they do not work or if they do. Oh, I love this place to set my luggage. Nice big TV and a list of the channels, which I appreciate. A lot of hotels don't do that. Decent workstation. Decent sit station. Over here again, 2 USB and 2 plugs. And I will say if they work or don't work here in the video. I will list it at the bottom of the screen. And not really any kind of a view, but we're not here for a view, are you? You book this because it's close to something you need, or you would not be here. That's it, 305. My home for a week. Ice machine right here. Let's see if it works. The ice machine does not work. Let's go down the floor, see if it works there. The ice machine works on 5. 5th floor has a tiny bit of a view. Let's check out the fitness center. 24 hours. A quite basic fitness center, but a fitness center nonetheless. What's for breakfast? Toast, sausage gravy, biscuit, bacon, eggs, food, milk, oh those are empty, cereal, and a pancake maker. Let's check out the laundry room. $3.75 for a wash, $3.75 for a dry. Very basic, but it is here. Holiday Inn Express Plantation. If you need it because of the location, this is a decent hotel. The water's hot, the beds are soft, the air conditioner works. But it's basic. And in Florida, you don't have to put up with basic. So unless you need to be right here, look around. For this price, there's some amazing hotels. But there's nothing wrong with it. It's just not cool. Just not fancy. Okay, there we go.